I need a scissor. Where is it?
It's there in the kitchen. Go and get it.
Okay, Mom. Mom, it's too difficult to take it. Can we arrange it in a better way?
Do you know a better way?
Yes, I have an idea. Yes, required 1 kg sago and 1 plastic container. Fill the sago and place the knives. See how I organized.
It seems a better way. Thanks for organizing.
Thank you, Mom. Thanks for watching.